That's a big one, Ayla.
See what it is. Oh. It's a baby stroller for your dog.
No, I think it's a stroller for Ayla.
It's a baby stroller in a buggy, in a rocking cradle for your dog. Look at that. That's for your dogs. Are you gonna put your dolls in there?
Look, that's for that.
Yeah.
That's for the tires.
Oh my goodness, Daddy, thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Tell Nana thank you.
Let's open it.
We will. Let's open all your presents first.
Let's open this one.
Okay. Is that to you? To Ayla.
Yeah, let's open it.
Just rip it open. Right there. The wrapping on yours, Jeff?
Yeah.
Oh, what is that?
It's
concealed.
Good job, Kevin.
Yeah, what?
No, I just tell him, ask Jeff, he's like, he's wrapping.
Yeah.
What is that? Is that a baby?
Is that a doll for the stroller?
Oh my gosh, you got a baby.
It's not.
It's not?
No.
It's a baby?
No. Yeah.
That was from Nana.
No. Can I open it?
Yeah, but let's open all your other presents first. Can you say thank you, Nana?
It's mine.
Yeah, this is all yours. Come on, keep on going.
That's right. Careful. Might be something to break in there.
This is Dana again. Open it.
There's so many that her age would just wear out and quit opening.
Oh, she keeps
Oh.
going.
I'm impressed.
Select from your sound that letter make. Please press a letter to hear its sound. C says ka or D says da.
Duh.